Hi, my name's George and I work here at Stampinup. We really love Christmas around here, so I am excited to share with you one of my favorite new sweets we created called Gingerbread and Peppermint. Two of the most wonderful smells during the Christmas season are freshly baked gingerbread and sweet peppermint candies. And this sweet has everything you need to make beautiful handmade cards, seasonal scrapbooks, and more. Let's take a peek. First, let's check out the stamp set. This is Frosted Gingerbread. Both images and the sentiments are designed with the look of freshly piped frosting, and the greetings are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. You're the icing to my gingerbread and sending you peppermint kisses. To really push the look of frosting, try using white Stampin' emboss powder on colored cardstock or craft paper. In addition to the English set, we are also offering it in French and German. This set is a lot of fun. Next, this set has coordinating dies. The tool features both open dies to cut out the stamped imagery and detailed dies for even more calorie-free cookie creating. For a final finishing touch, the tool also comes with a border die that adds one more bit of decorative icing. All of the dies in this bundle can be used with our mini cut and emboss machine. This suite also offers a second die set, our pretty pillow box dies. This makes packaging small gifts and treats so easy. The pillow box can be created from a 6x6 piece of paper, which pairs perfectly with the Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer Series paper. This tool also comes with 3 different tag or label shapes and a fun detailed peek-through element. This pillow box not only works wonderfully with this collection of products, but can work with so many other products. The Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer Series paper is a 6x6 stack. The colors in the paper are cinnamon cider, early espresso, real red, old olive, and basic white. It's the perfect mix of sweet, elegant, pretty, and playful. There are 4 each of 12 double-sided designs, and 6 of those patterns have direct coordination with the dies, for even more ways to make multiples. The Designer Series paper has some additional shading and texture to enhance the look of elaborately decorated cookies. Included in this suite is another great paper, 6x6 craft paper. There are 20 sheets, and this is perfect for making pillow boxes, tags, or for layering on cards. This is an essential for all crafters. In this suite, we're also offering a Memories and More card pack. This set has 60 cards, 4 of which are sticker sheets. There are also 6 of these specialty laser cut cookie sheets, perfect to pair with the Designer Series paper or the stamp bundle. The beauty of Memories and More is that it can be used for so many different projects: cards, memory keeping, tags, and more. You get 36 3x4 cards and 18 4x6 cards. In addition to the card collection, there are also coordinating cards and envelopes that are perfect for making multiples. There are 20 cards and envelopes in this pack. The brown cookie shape is meant to show off some of the 3x4 cards or specialty cards. Just when you thought we'd shown you everything, we also have brand new coordinating decorative masks. These 6x6 masks come in 4 different designs. When you use these masks with embossing paste, it's like adding a little bit of frosting to a project. I really love the texture you get from this technique. These cheery acrylic shapes are the perfect finishing touch. In white and real red, they add a shiny little accent that matches the look of perfectly frosted cookies. And each set comes with 120 pieces, 60 of each color. The ribbon we chose for this suite is super versatile. This mini ruffled ribbon in real red is both pretty, playful, and perfect for any Christmas package. Anything you make with our Gingerbread and Peppermint Suite is sure to be sweet and satisfying. Whether you're an avid stamper with time to explore fun techniques, or a newer stamper who wants a simpler experience, this collection has something for everyone. At Stampin' Up!, we're excited to share our new mini catalog and wish you a wonderful season of stamping. To see more, Talk to your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com.